Hi, and welcome to EMP Tech Group. Today we're going to talk about a feature with BarTender in their Enterprise edition of the software for BarTender 2021. And it is a web-based printing application called Print Portal. As you can see here, I've just got a generic web page pulled up. To get to the Print Portal, we're going to type in where the portal was configured on a server, then go to BarTender. And here we are with the kind of the home screen for Print Portal. The benefit for Print Portal is going to be that you don't have to necessarily download and install BarTender on each client PC. You can set up the application and the suite for BarTender on a central server or PC, and then configure Print Portal through IIS, and that will allow anybody else who is on that network and can reach that page the ability to print BarTender documents and formats. As you can see here, kind of a basic layout. It looks a lot like Print Station in that we've configured where some of the formats are at. Templates is a generic folder BarTender gives with kind of just several pre-made label formats that you can use. I've also configured a folder for just some demo formats of ours that we have here at EMP. And then if you use Librarian, which is another application available with the enterprise version of the software, anything you have in Librarian will be here also. As you can see, we've kind of modified this and given a little bit of our flair with our logo up top here. And as in Print Station, everything's done through the administrative setup. And so root folders. And for BarTender demo formats, if we browse, it's in the web root folder inside the website portion for IIS, which is where you can find that at. Once again, you can name it and give some more details or do more with it. Client printing is a new feature for 2021 and Print Portal. Instead of having to load up all the drivers on the server where Portal is running and configured from, you can actually enable client-side printing. So by checking this, and then there is a small application to load, Print Portal will actually see and be able to use the printers that are attached to the client PC that has logged into Print Portal. Advanced settings here, and then branding is how we've got the logo. And you can select color options and such. We will just pick the in-house label template. Here's a preview of the label. Over here, I get to select my printer, and because I have client printing enabled, I see all of my printers and those on the server. Just pick a printer. It has redrawn the preview for the resolution of the printer. And let's just do a preview real quick. This label format has actually a form entry. So as in normal printing through Designer and through Print Station, it pops up the format, the data entry form. And there's a preview of our label. This label actually has several different pages to it. And now we're back to the beginning. From this preview, it could actually go straight to a print. I will just cancel out of it. To get back to the home screen, we're just going to click the logo up top, and we're back to the home screen. Again, very useful for those situations where you want clients to be able to use BarTender, but you don't necessarily want to have to install the full application suite onto that station. And also, you can set this up to do printing from literally anywhere as long as it can get into the system. So somebody from home could be printing a label and not necessarily need to have BarTender installed.